Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how I clean my microwave. My microwave is quite dirty inside and out, so it needs a cleaning. So I'm going to use this apple cider vinegar, but you can see it's a different type, any apple cider vinegar you have. And then I'm going to use the sponge and also a rag. And then I'm going to use this. It's a foam cleaner to clean the outside. I'm going to wipe it clean first, and then I'm going to use this afterwards, and I'm going to use the rag and just wipe that foam off, because I'm going to throw the apple cider vinegar. I'm going to throw it in here, and then I'm going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute, and then I'm going to use the sponge to clean it inside. So let me show you the inside. It's quite dirty, as you can see outside, fingerprints and everything. So this is how it looks inside, and it's really dirty, as you can see. Oh yeah, you can see some of it is hard and stuff, so that's why I'm using apple cider vinegar. So apple cider vinegar helps, so you don't have to scrub. You know, if you use dish soap, you're going to have to scrub that. You're going to have to scrub, but if you use apple cider vinegar, it's not going to. You don't have to scrub. You just let it sit for a little while, and it will get off very easy. You're gonna put it on 1 minute. Put it on. Out. Now you can smell apple cider vinegar. Okay. Stick it out. So if you have vanilla extract at home, just put it inside the vinegar, and the smell will be gone, and you wouldn't smell the apple cider vinegar. But for me, I just use the Andy. Okay, so now I'm going to use the apple cider vinegar, and then I'm going to use the sponge and dip it inside the apple cider vinegar, and then just wipe it out. And let me tell you guys, this stuff works. It works much better than the dish soap. I used to use dish soap before, but then I had to scrub it because some of it was sticky and hard. So then there's Alex, who was sleeping, and I just waked him up. So maybe inside. Okay, so now I'm just going to use the clean water to wipe out all the extra in that's in there, and then I will be done with that, with the inside of the microwave. guys, so I'm just going to use this one. And then I will wipe it now with a clean dry rag. Here's the front after I cleaned it with the foam cleaner and with the rag, so it's really clean. So I'm showing you the inside of the microwave. As you can see, it's really clean. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.